So I'm back at the chiropractor. This is my second video. Please refer to my first video if you need to see it. And pretty much it's gonna go through the I just came from therapy and I just did some exercises to strengthen up my back. And now he's gonna go to a procedure of, I believe, just doing the chiropractic movements of just cracking my back, putting things back in, where it's supposed to be. He's saying that my spinal cord's to the right a little bit, and he's just gonna center it, and in doing so, hopefully my pain will go away. But we'll see what happens next.
So I'm stretch his pelvis.
Oh.
Let's turn this way. This way. Just stretch. Okay. Now face up for me. I'm just going to put a little pressure down on your spine, okay? One more time. Deep breath in all the way.